Judy's inside for a month.
Something's never changed today.
Some things do.
I'm happy for you guys. I really am. I probably shouldn't have told you this. Are you gonna start showing up without calling first? Has it been nothing?
Michael remembered. Hey, Bud, can you believe Michael remembered on the virus?
You want to take a look at it?
Leave it. You're gonna break the whole damn thing.
It's fine. It's just the internet almost got it.
It's really useful to come out and nice. Hey, Bud. I need to know the three of you get along.
Guess there's nothing wrong. About 10 years ago, I got diagnosed about that. My dad had it. And I told him that if he didn't tell me that I was going to do it myself. So he laughed. And he promised me he would tell me. But what he didn't say, tell her that he caught me doing what I didn't tell. He said that I should have blackmail.
Das ist Tom. Okay.
I was a piece of shit at the time. He had been caught selling for drugs, so actually she agreed to. How about him? And look on his face when she was confronting me about it. It was like he was amused for using me as his ass. And I knew that if I didn't leave me, so I left in that January. When I heard he was dead, I knew it was safe to go.
Be careful.
Hey, Martin. Let's go.
Friends, but some responsibilities and others. Yes.
Vai continuar pra
Well,
Yeah?